Good morning, Ishan. This is a video of the second part of ramens, the B part, B section. I'm gonna be briefly covering the last few measures of the first part, which you pretty much are familiarized, but it's only a recap. Here's how it starts. I mean the I'm gonna start from the 12th fret on the first string. Let me just play like this so you can see again. You just slide and you play on the 10th fret, third string. So that's the motion. It's 7 and 8. Sorry, bar on 7th, second finger on 8th fret on the third string. So this one and the bar. And the B7 chord, which is on the 4th string, your first finger, 4th string, and you just leave like spaces in between. Let me see if I can get a better angle. So second fret, second finger, 5th string, then third finger on the second fret and third string, and the pinky on the last string, on the first string and second fret. This is the sound. So it will be this is just a recap of the last part of the section A, since you know it already. So here comes the B section. Just move a little bit, and we start with the stretch. First finger on the third string and first fret. I can see this one, and on the 4th fret of the first string. Looks like this. That will be how we start, and basically the same pattern of fingering. Use your 1, 2, 3 finger, just like the beginning. Again. And this is important to use these fingers, the 3rd and 4th, because we're gonna use this one to play the C. It's called C double sharp, but it's actually sounds like a D. I explained that to you on Saturday, but it's the same pattern. But the fingering on the right hand side, that's the position is. So again, it goes like this. And this is a tough bar because we're holding it for a long time. So just try to practice as much as possible. Trying to just make that position and release the hand. Do the hand shape and release it. And do that several times and try to get a good sound from it. So you're gonna be sliding the pinky. So it's one beat in this position. Then you slide it. 1, 2, 3, 1. So that's what we do. So basically the sound is that's how to sound the top line, the melodic line. Then we're gonna slide to the 7th fret. But we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna place our second finger on the 8th fret and third string. We're gonna use the pinky, or we can use either one, the pinky or the third finger on the 8th fret, 9th fret. So it should sound like this. Alright, one more time. That it looks like this. Then like this. So it goes from here so just a recap of what we'll be looking at. It's I like to use the pinking here in this other chord. So the third finger is free to place it on the 2nd string, 9th fret. A half bar. It's called half bar. So just try to get the first measures, at least 5 measures of the B section, and I'll be sending more stuff later. Have a great practice.